Do you want to automate your quotation process using Google Docs or Google Sheets? Well, if so, I've got a tool that's going to help you out. Hey there, my name's James, and in this video I'm going to share with you how you can automate your quoting process using Google Docs and Google Sheets. In front of me I've got a quote workbook which has all the items that we are quoting to different customers. And I've also got a Google Doc template where I'm putting this information in, which is formatted in the way that our company wants our quotes to look. Now, quite a lot of the time you find yourself copying and pasting information from a Google spreadsheet or from a CRM into a quotation template because there's a specific way that you want the quote to look. But in Portant, we can connect these two together. So I've got this quote, the same workbook I just showed you, and then I've got the Google Doc template as well. Now, if we want to insert information from our Google Sheet automatically into this Google document, you can see that we have the Google Sheets fields on the right-hand side, which we can place into our quote template. In this example, I'm going to copy the customer name, put my cursor in the document, paste it in, and then you can see here why people love to use Portant. They love to use Portant because you have all the formatting options available in Google Docs right here within Portant. So I can highlight this tag, and I can make it bold, just like the other information. Now, in a quote, sometimes you have a table of line items. Maybe there are multiple products that a customer wants as part of the quote. In our spreadsheet, we have multiple rows, which all need to be inserted into the same quote. Now, Portant can identify those rows which need to be put in the same document and then add them to this table. So Portant is going to extend this table so there's one row in it for every line item that this customer needs. On the right-hand side, we can customize the output name. In this example, I've got the customer name and then a timestamp of when it was created. I'm also going to create a PDF from this. And then when we're ready to go, I just click this button up here and automate all the data. Now you can select a custom range or all the information in your spreadsheet. And you can also turn on auto create, which checks the workbook every so often. And if there are any new rows added to it, it will process a document. So it'll do it all automatically behind the scenes. Now, if we go to the output folder, you can see these documents are starting to be created. We've created a custom folder within your Google Drive, which contains the PDF and the Google Doc. And then if we open one of these, we can see the information and the table's been extended and all the custom information from the Google Sheet is presented here. Now you can share those quotes automatically by adding an email block, which will attach the quote to it and email it with a custom message if you want. We can also add in e-signatures. We can also add in payment links so people can pay you for those quotes automatically right from the document. So there are loads of ways to customize this process to suit your business's needs. If you have any questions, please give me a shout, and we look forward to seeing what you do with Portant. Cheers.